You know, I have realized something about sourcing. A surprising amount of profit is hidden inside supplier chats. Every delayed replay, vague code, or missed question quietly eats into your margin. And that's exactly why traditional sourcing feels so painful. So, I've been testing Accio Work. Think of it as an AI sourcing teammate inside a desktop workspace, not just a browser extension and not just another chatbot. It connects with Alibaba.com, uses e-commerce data and trade-specific skills, and helps you actually do the sourcing work from idea to factory quote. Here's the workflow I will show you if we were sitting together. Let's start with the first bottleneck in sourcing, the initial inquiry. For example, let's say I want to source a premium insulated launch bag for the US market. Instead of opening a dozen tabs and manually writing supplier messages, I tell Accio Work what I'm looking for: an insulated launch bag for working professionals, premium materials, leak-proof lining, custom logo branding, and a target price under $8 per unit. Even when my prompt is not perfect, Accio Work catches the gaps. This is the first thing I like. Auto chat works like an intelligent filter before the first message goes out. Most buyers send incomplete inquiries. Then the supplier replays with what size, what material, what logo, what quantity, and suddenly a quote takes a week ride. Accio Work looks at the inquiry and identifies what's missing. For example, if I forget to mention food safe materials, packaging dimensions, sample quantity, or certification requirements, it refines the message before I hit send. Super cool, right? Yes, indeed. And that matters because the goal is not just more replays. The goal is better replays. You know, a vague message gets vague pricing. A precise inquiry gets closer to a ready-to-sign quote. There are real users seeing this kind of difference too. One buyer compressed what would normally be a 3-day back and forth into a single exchange because the AI inquiry was specific enough for the supplier to quote immediately. And they ended up closing 3 orders with just 2 samples, instead of wasting money on a bunch of wrong samples. Now the second feature is bulk outreach, and this is where the time savings feel obvious. Usually when I want to compare 20 suppliers, I'm copying, pasting, editing, and managing 20 slightly different conversations, right? And managing 20 slightly different conversations. With Accio Work, I can give one input, choose the suppliers, and auto chat handles the outreach across multiple threads. Yes, you heard it right. It does not treat every supplier like the same robot conversation. I like the fact that it keeps context, understands the scenario, and manages the little differences between a supplier. And this is where things got interesting. When I compared suppliers for the same insulated launch bag, I saw very different codes. Supplier A, $6.8 per unit. Supplier B, $5.9 per unit. Supplier C, $5.10 per unit. At first glance, that difference doesn't look huge, right? But on a 5,000 unit order, that gap translates to over $8,500 in cost difference. So instead of spending 4 hours clicking around Alibaba.com, one prompt can start 20 conversations. I still set the direction, I still decide which suppliers looks best, but I'm not doing the repetitive admin work anymore. The third use case is the one that feels most like having a sourcing team, 24/7 follow-up and negotiation. If you are in the US or Europe and your factory is 12 hours ahead, sourcing can become this weird stop-start process, right? You send a question, go to sleep, wake up to half an answer, replay, and lose another day. Accio Work's auto chat can keep working while you are off the clock. You can set your target price, preferred lead time, sample requirements, and negotiation boundaries. Then auto chat follows up with supplier pushes for formal quotation sheets, asks for missing documents, and keeps the conversation moving. For example, when sourcing the same insulated launch bag, one supplier initially quoted $6.8 per unit with a $3,000 unit mark, right? Auto chat contain negotiation around volume, packaging, and lead time, and the supplier eventually lower the quote to $5.9 per unit and reduces the mark to 2,000 units. You know, that may not sound dramatic at first, but on a 5,000 unit order, that's $4,500 saved before you even start selling, right? So no money locked. In testing, it even picked up category-specific requirements like asking for FDA certificates for tea and beverage products without the user having to spell everything out. And that is the point. It's not just chatting, it's acting like a procurement lead that knows what to ask next. And the control piece is important. This is not AI secretly spends your money. You stay human in the loop. Accio Work can research, can compare, negotiate, and follow up, but you make the final call on payments, samples, orders, and key trade milestones, of course. This gives you leverage without taking away judgment. Another thing I appreciate is that you don't need to be good at prompt engineering. You can talk to it like you would brief a teammate. Find me suppliers for this product, prioritize reliable factories, ask about mark, sample cost, lead time, certifications, and custom packaging. Then negotiate toward this target price. And that's enough to get the workflow moving. For founders, e-commerce sellers, or small teams, this changes the sourcing math. The old way is more tabs, more copy-paste, more waiting, and more uncertainty. The new way is one workspace that helps move from idea to supplier shortlist, then to quote, negotiation, and sample order with far less manual overhead. And if you're testing products often, that speed compounds. Faster sourcing means faster validation. Cleaner inquiries mean fewer bad samples. Better comparison means fewer emotional guesses. And 24/7 follow-up means you are not losing days just because supply is online while you are asleep, of course. So if you want a more automated way to source through Alibaba.com, check out Accio Work and install the sourcing toolkit. You can download it at accio.com/work. Link in description, by the way. Like I said, Accio Work is basically a new way to put the sourcing process on autopilot while still keeping you in control of the important decisions. For me, that's the difference between AI gives me suggestions and AI actually helps me get the work done. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to drop a like if you enjoyed the video. And of course, do subscribe for more videos and case studies on the best AI tools on the planet. Have a good one. Bye-bye.